Hello. I am capital letter U.
Hi, letter U. Nice to meet you.
Hello. I am small letter U.
Hi, small letter U. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am unique letter U. That's who I am. You. Let's say you. We are unique U's. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. You. Let's clap our hands to letter U.
You. Let's clap our hands to letter U.
Who are you? I am Yuma, unicorn, so unique. I am Yuma, the unicorn. Nay, I sparkle and prance all day. A young queen laughs when I appear. My magic friend is finally here. I zoom through clouds, up in the sky with my shiny horn held way up high. My colors swirl like a rainbow light. I glow and giggle all through the night. What is this?
It is umbrella.
What is this?
It is umbrella bird.
What is this?
It is a U-turn sign.
What are these?
These are kitchen utensils.
What are these?
These are kids in school uniforms. Look.
What are these?
Look, the balloons are floating up to the sky.
What is the kid doing?
The kid is sitting under the table. He's playing with his toys under the table.
What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter U today. Unicorn and uniform. Hooray! Learning letters is a fun game. See you next time. Don't be late for the ABC party. It will be great.